In today's rapidly evolving tech landscape, mastering Python can be your gateway to lucrative career opportunities and professional growth. Whether you're aiming to land your first job in tech, increase your earning potential, or advance in your current role, Python proficiency is a game changer. Welcome to Business Training Media's Technology Series. In today's video, we'll explore the best Python courses to boost your career and increase your earning potential. These courses are designed for beginners eager to dive into programming and seasoned professionals looking to sharpen their skills. Let's explore some top Python courses available that can elevate your career. First up is Python for Everybody by the University of Michigan. This highly popular specialization is designed for beginners with no prior programming experience. It introduces fundamental programming concepts using Python, including variables, loops, functions, and data structures. Additionally, it covers essential skills such as retrieving, processing, and visualizing data from various sources, including web services and databases. Through hands-on projects and practical exercises, learners gain real-world experience in working with Python. Whether you're looking to build a foundation in programming or transition into data science, this course is an excellent starting point. Next is Python for Data Science, AI and Development by IBM. This course goes beyond basic programming and focuses on Python's powerful applications in data science, artificial intelligence, and software development. Learners will explore essential libraries such as Pandas for data manipulation, NumPy for numerical computations, and Matplotlib for data visualization. The course also introduces Jupyter Notebooks, a popular tool for interactive coding and data analysis. By working on real-world projects, students gain hands-on experience in problem-solving and data-driven decision-making. Whether you're aiming for a career in data science or AI, this course provides a solid foundation in Python's practical applications. Up next is Crash Course on Python by Google. This beginner-friendly course is designed to help those with no prior coding experience grasp the fundamentals of Python programming. It covers essential concepts such as variables, loops, conditionals, functions, and data structures, enabling learners to write simple yet effective programs. The course emphasizes practical application, allowing students to build problem-solving skills through hands-on exercises and real-world examples. By the end of the course, participants will have a solid understanding of Python's core principles, making it a great starting point for anyone looking to break into programming, automation, or even data science. For a gentle introduction, consider Programming for Everybody by the University of Michigan. This beginner-friendly course focuses on making programming accessible to all, even those with no prior coding experience. Using Python, it covers fundamental concepts such as variables, loops, functions, and conditionals in a clear and engaging manner. The course is designed to build confidence by gradually introducing coding principles through interactive exercises and real-world examples. Whether you're exploring programming for personal growth or as a stepping stone to a tech career, this course provides an excellent foundation in coding with Python. For those interested in AI, Machine Learning with Python by IBM offers a strong foundation in machine learning concepts and techniques. This course teaches you how to build, train, and evaluate machine learning models using Python's powerful scikit-learn library. You'll explore key topics such as supervised and unsupervised learning, regression, classification, clustering, and model evaluation. Through hands-on projects, you'll gain practical experience in working with real-world datasets, applying machine learning algorithms, and fine-tuning models for better performance. Whether you're new to AI or looking to expand your data science skills, this course provides a solid stepping stone into the world of machine learning. Lastly, the Introduction to Programming with Python and Java specialization by the University of Pennsylvania takes a comparative approach to programming, helping learners understand core concepts in both Python and Java. This specialization is ideal for those looking to gain versatility in multiple programming languages. It covers fundamental topics such as variables, loops, functions, object-oriented programming, and data structures, allowing students to see how these concepts are implemented differently in Python and Java. Through hands-on exercises and real-world projects, learners build a solid foundation in both languages, making this course a great choice for aspiring software developers, data scientists, or anyone exploring programming for the first time. If you're ready to take your career to the next level, boost your earning potential, or land your dream job, click the link in the description to enroll in these and other top Python online courses today. You'll also find free courses to help you start your learning journey. Click on the links to get started today. For more online courses, free articles, and career resources, visit businesstrainingmedia.com. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your learning journey.